Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. My name is Diego and today we're going to be unboxing a package of crested geckos that come from Korea. You see me with these goofy glasses because they're the Meta glasses. I'm going to be recording this unboxing at the same time as I record with this camera. I'm going to be recording it here so that you have a different point of view. So without further ado, I'm going to start opening these guys. I'm super excited. I've been waiting for 2 months for these guys to arrive. I purchased them 2 months ago. And today it's like 12 p.m., a little bit past 12 p.m. So I was super stressed. I was thinking they're not going to get here. I know it is a little bit irresponsible that I decided to get it delivered instead of picking up. But my nearest hub is about an hour and a half away. As a college student, I cannot afford to go and drive 3 hours one day just like nothing happened. I cannot afford to do that. Time is of the essence. I can't just leave on a Thursday and go to a hub. If it was on the weekends, I could, but you cannot ship on the weekends. So right now it's not a possibility, so this is all I can do. So I hope you understand. But yeah, let's go get these animals. So we have this big box in here, okay? There are, in theory, 11 geckos, okay? If my friend Anthony didn't mess up, there are, in theory, 11 geckos in here. So 10 of those geckos come from Korea. Those geckos went to Anthony's house in California, and then I bought a gecko from Anthony, so he added one gecko to that 10 geckos from Korea. So there's gonna be 11 geckos total, 10 from Korea, 1 from Anthony. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to show you guys what's in here. I can't wait to see what it's in here. So let's just go straight into it. I'm gonna start recording with my Meta glasses, and yeah, let's just see what's in here. I'm gonna peel this off. I don't want you to see where I live, although you probably know if you bought it from me. Okay, the Meta glasses are on now. Alright, let's get this out of here. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, yeah, it's got the heat pack. Alright. Now, Jessica packaged this. Jessica is with Anthony. So they're both from Little Monsters, which I'm going to definitely put this sticker in my tablet for college, and I'm going to brag about how Little Monsters is such a great company. So they gave me this sticker. They gave me pretty good quality business card. It feels like you can feel it. Some of their contact information, and yeah. I thought that was a sticker. It says warning. I thought that was a sticker. My fault. Okay. A really big sticker. This one's sick. I'm definitely gonna keep this and put it in my tablet as well. Feedle stickers, because there's 2 companies that were involved in this. Feedle is like Morph Market, more or less. So sellers go to Feedle, they post their geckos in Korea, and then people from all over the world buy geckos from Feedle. So that's what Feedle is. Now, Little Monsters is a company that is allowing us to import geckos from Korea to the US. Now let's see how good this packaging is. It's like wrapping paper. Wow, Jessica. This is... Wow, I've never seen this kind of packaging. This is the cryo pack, really important to make sure that the temperature doesn't go up or down. Alright, I see deli cups! Alright, you can tell I'm excited. Okay. Ooh. Alright, this is a sable. It's our first sable. He is a sable tiger. I'm gonna show some pictures on the screen because you're not gonna be able to see it here. But this is a sable tiger. It's not a phantom. It's got some dorsal patterning. It's really interesting how the tiger is breaking up the dorsal. The head structure doesn't seem super bad. So yeah, this is the first one. Oh my god! Look at this thing. I need to take you out. Look at this thing. She is such a nice frap. She is so gorgeous. So pretty. Okay, go back. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have taken you out. Go back, please. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. These silly cups are weird. Dude, I can't even close it. Yeah. Okay, you're gonna stay here, and I hope you don't escape. Alright. We got... Oh my god! Ooh. You guys cannot see this in person, but this is wild. This is Frap from RCK. You can tell it's a Frap right away just because of the collar. This is wild, guys. I don't think you guys understand how pretty she is. This is absolutely wild. Anthony was telling me while he was shipping the order that this was crazy. He was not wrong. I mean, I saw this girl on Feedle, and I fell in love. Like, Feedle posted it on their Instagram, and I was like, dude, I need this girl. And, okay, we're gonna need to work on her. She is really skittish, but I think that's doable. She's still young, and hopefully she can breed for us next season. I don't think she's gonna be ready by this season, but hopefully she can breed for us next season. Alright, super exciting. Let's see. Oh, that's another sable. That one is really pretty. This sable, I think it's a female because they didn't see any pores, and by this size they could have already seen pores. So I'm hoping it is a female, because if not, I'm not gonna have any sable females. Oh my god, you guys cannot see this in person, but this is wild. I know she has, or he has, some spots, but that's fine. We can work and get those spots out of there. This is a sable lily white. You guys cannot see how red that orange patterning is. It's so red. So it's tangerine, and it's gonna do great with any gecko that I pair them to. I just hope that the spots are not something that are gonna be hard to get rid of. I hope that we can easily get rid of them in the first generations. And yeah, let's try to get this here. Okay, I might be a little bit slow, but I really don't know how to put these lids back on. Oh, there. What? Because when I stopped trying, it got easy. Oh, she or he is bigger than I thought. Oh, this is a tiger one. This is a tiger one. It's like high white, and look at all that tigering going in there. That's crazy. And this is honestly really, really pretty. So she is a cappuccino. She's got some red tones in there as well. She is just a cappuccino, high white. So this girl might already have a home. She is really, really pretty. I don't think she's fully fired up, but those tiger markings showed really well on the ad. I had to snag her. She's really, really pretty. I can't lie, the head structure on these geckos are not the best, but I think that we can work towards that. Dude, I'm looking at this girl. That is the purest red that I've seen. It's like phosphorus. It's like, wow. Wow. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. Oh, this is one of the lily whites that I got. This is the one that I'm going to keep, I think. Or this is the one that I sold. I don't know. There's one that I already pretty much sold to one of my friends. She wanted a lily white, and I said that I had some that might be coming, so I could already sell to her. I wasn't trying to flip any geckos with this order, but it's just the way that it turned out. I just simply said that I had some, and yeah. This guy is really pretty. Is this the guy or the girl? I think this is the guy. But I got a really similar female. Wow. The face looks like good. Like, it doesn't look like an ugly gecko, which I don't know about you, but I appreciate that. He's got some really nice tiger and base markings in there. Really, really high white. This one's gonna be great. He is gonna be my staple cappuccino male. Oh, that's a female. This is the male. The male has some really nice pinstriping. He is really pretty, and look at how high white he is. This guy is absolutely crazy. He is wild. So I'm super excited to work with him. I'm gonna leave Anthony's gecko for the last. This is another lily white that I got. I think this is the one that I'm keeping. She is ready to breed, and I don't really know what I'm gonna do with her. She is pretty high white, pretty good head structure overall, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna use her for maybe some cappuccino projects. Like this guy could do okay with her. I think make some fraps. I don't know. We'll see. If not, I'm gonna pair her to some sables once they grow out, and if not, I'm gonna pair her to maybe Tom's male to make some cold fusions, high white, lily white. And then finally, the one that I've been waiting for almost the most. This girl is my favorite so far out of the Feedle order, but this guy I was really excited for. Okay, now don't look at the price. Anthony did give me a pretty good deal. I can't lie. He gave me a pretty good discount. I'm super happy that Anthony did. This tiger comes from Sabretooth. If you don't know Sabretooth, he is a really noticeable tiger. So most tigers are phantom. I'm not gonna say all of them, but a lot of tigers are phantoms. Sabretooth doesn't even look phantom. Like, it looks crazy. So this guy, Sabretooth, has some really visual markings of tiger. You can really notice them. And then he was paired to a girl who I forgot her name, but she is orange, an orange cap tiger. She is really pretty. Now, genetically speaking, I think that the orange is just yellow with tangerine. But yeah, he said that this gecko is great, it's awesome, and I cannot lie, I think he's right. So let's see. I haven't seen this gecko in 2 months. I've only seen a picture of it when it was a hatchling, and I decided to buy it. I'm gonna see its belly real quick. Okay, I saw its neck. Okay, I'm super excited. Come out of here, buddy. Holy. This guy is gonna be really pretty. Anthony was saying that he's getting some color, and he is right. I know that there are spots. I know that some of you are gonna freak out. I don't care. I think that you can work out of them, and they don't even look that bad. This cap is absolutely gorgeous. Super noticeable tigering, and I think it's gonna get better with time. This guy is crazy. I'm just super excited to have this guy. I think it's a pores visible, so I think I'm gonna pair him to one of my phantom lily white tigers and see what these guys produce. This is awesome. I'm super excited. Overall, I probably dropped around 3.5 to 4K. I know it's a lot. I know it's something that a lot of people cannot afford. So I'm just really happy that we could afford all of these awesome geckos. So I'm really super excited to work with these guys. I cannot wait to see what I produce. And I hope that I can start to make some of my own lines with some of these animals. So yeah, overall I'm super happy. I can't wait to show you guys what I make with these guys. And I can't wait to take some pictures of these animals so that I can show you guys how they look. This is going to be awesome. This is going to be great pairings. And some of these animals are going to be staple for my projects. This Cappuccino Tiger Phantom from Anthony is awesome. I can't wait to get those spots out of there. I don't mind the spots, but a lot of people are shifting towards the no spots. So I gotta listen to the market. So I can't wait to get those spots out of there, see the clean look. I can't wait to stack tangerine in there, see how the orange pops out. And I just can't wait to work with these guys. I'm super stoked, and I will let you guys know how these projects advance and how these projects go. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.